Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Antifi, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a PIN or pattern or password to unlock your Poco M5s. You might want to set up a screen lock so people cannot just open your phone and do stuff with it. So yeah, you want to set up a screen lock. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to password and security. And here you have the option screen lock. It's off right now, as you can see. And then when you click on it, you can choose between a PIN, a pattern, or a password. Little side note to the pattern: if you draw a pattern on your phone the whole time, you might be able to see the pattern you're drawing when you turn your phone against the light. So that's probably not the safest option, and I'm gonna go with a PIN. Remember your password, remember your screen lock. If you forget it, you'll have to erase all data on your device, including photos and contacts, and then set a new one. Okay, got it. So remember your password. So now we enter our PIN. You want to be a bit more creative than I am right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 0 are probably the first things people would try when they want to find out your PIN. Add a fingerprint to unlock your device. We're gonna do that in another video. So we say cancel right now, and then you see screen lock is on. So if we lock our phone and then want to unlock it again, we have to put in our PIN, and then our phone will unlock it. So that's how you customize a screen lock for your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.